$100 to $1,000 per day is possible as a TWR market warrior. So quit wasting that money that's not making money. Join the team and let's go to war.
I'll be using my AI voice today. Chad. Earnings list this week. Remember, anything in green is my focus. And yellow are key watches for huge movers. Stocks I like for trades this coming week. SPY sold off last week with the rest of the market. But depending on how this week information pushes with the Feds, I think that we could see a little bit of recovery. So I will be looking for bounces from support. I'm looking for the Russell to make a move back above $205. So I'm bullish going into this week and I'm hoping for a strong bounce. This is complete market depending, so if we stay strong, we should get the move we're looking for, but if we're weak overall, this will be one of the targets for sell-off. Nike I am on the fence about, with Foot Locker's earnings report recently being extremely disappointing. But Nike is a different kind of animal, and with how Dick's Sporting Goods performed, I think Nike will do just fine, and so I'm cautiously optimistic and will look for the long entry going into and through earnings. I think below $100 this is a buy. And I do like targets at 110 into the mid-range. Micron is set up very nicely for a move higher going into earnings. Now this could see some sell-off based off of pressure. But if we get decent market sentiment, I think we should get continuation, and this would be a good bet for the longs. And I would be going out about 2 to 3 weeks on my option plays and looking for a huge mover here. PDD is a beast. And while I don't really enjoy trading China stocks very often, this is one of those that I enjoy trading, and I do think we should see some pretty good movement in now. It could potentially see some selling pressure through earnings. But I do think that it gets a pop out of this particular shelf pattern, and we could see a decent push of about 10 to 15% on an earnings report that is either in line or even surprises because of the type of nature of their business. Chewy is on my list, but I don't really like its price action, and it has been disappointing, so while I do think it has potential for a move higher, I am putting this on my radar for puts because it has not performed well under pressure, so being cautious here, and I will just kind of ride the wave on whatever trend it is presenting. Lulu looks pretty good, and I could see the case on a strong earnings report for the move higher and a potential breakout. So this is on watch, but need to be cautious with this one, because it is usually juiced pretty heavily, so I like to play spreads on this one rather than straight up options. Also playing the spread helps avoid implied volatility crush. I am really liking FDX for a move higher. When you go out further to a weekly chart, you can see that this has been beat up. But looking at this chart, the levels give opportunity for the move higher. We still have a long way to go, but I think we have a higher probability of success with a decent report and positive movement.
Alright team, that's a wrap, man. I gave you a whole bunch of stocks, a whole bunch of things I think that are going to make a ton of money this week with my moves and expectations. Don't forget, man, March Madness discount, 50% off the TWR Discord server. Directly after this, I have a 40-second promo so you can get all the information. Don't forget, all the links are inside of the description, and I hope to see a whole bunch of new faces when that market bell rings on the TWR platform. It's March, and Traders War Room is getting nuts, okay? March Madness, TWR, 50% off discount on the entire Discord server. And what does that look like? Well, I'm about to show you guys, because we give you 250 channels, over 40 analysts, 150 algo signals. I got 8 professional staff members that monitor 7 trade floors. We got live trading, live training, live classing. I'm telling you, something truly for everyone, every style, and every budget. Listen, if you can't find it on Traders War Room, then you can't trade it. And we are the only server to host Series 6 and Series 7 professionals. Listen, when I tell you Traders War Room is for real, I mean that. You're going to get a professional server to give you everything you need. So you might ask, why Traders War Room? Well, if you ask that question, you probably need to come check us out. All right, team, that's a wrap. Check out TWR's platform and come get some. Remember, scared money don't make money. You got to have a plan and a strategy. Got to be able to control your emotions, stay calm, cool, and collected. And as always, if you're ready, follow me and let's go to war.
In the traders war room, warring with the market every day we on Zoom. Never gonna quit, ain't no way we gonna lose. I done made a profit and it's way before noon. Way to go, dude, come and learn how to trade stocks. We rentless with the attack when this thing pop. We market warriors and we can share the same pot. I woke up and went to war in my tank top. Thanks, Pops, he a analyst, a veteran. And we ain't hating on them other dudes we better than. I was down and then I learned about leveraging. And after that, I ain't never went red again. Green, right? It ain't bad, it just seemed like something wrong with you if you say we ain't tight. Get in and get out before you think twice. Let's have a toast, you bring the drinks and I'll bring ice. Defeat's nice in the traders war room. What you wanna do in the traders war room?